Hi, to use vehicle motion cues on your iPad 10th generation, firstly, let me explain to you what does this feature means. So this handy feature will help reduce motion sickness symptoms by visually capturing dots on the edges of the screen that remain stable even when the device or car is moving. But notice that the feature is available only from iOS 18 and later. So to find it, we will need to open Settings. On the left side, choose Accessibility, and then on the right side, we will need to go in Motion. And after that, you'll see this tab show Vehicle Motion Cues. So just tap it, and first thing we can do is turn it on by tapping on the switcher. And now you can see that the feature is on, and we can see those dots across the screen. If we move our iPad, the dots will remain still like that, and we can leave the settings and the dots will be still on the display. So remember that the function works best when you're sitting facing forward in the car. Don't use it when you're driving or when you have activities that require special attention. And now, if you want to reach this feature easily, you can add it to the control center. For that, let's swipe down from the upper right corner, and here is the control center. So to find this feature, we'll need to tap on the plus, select Edit Control, and then scroll to the very bottom of the page and check it in this Vision Accessibility. And here it is, Vehicle Motion Cues. You'll need to tap on it, and this is how it will look. I accidentally added two of them, so let's remove one and leave the control center by tapping any free space of the screen. So when you see that this icon with many dots is white, then the vehicle motion cues is enabled. If you tap it again, you'll disable this feature and there will be no longer those dots on the screen. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye!